guys, hello. Let's continue our videos about compensation. Yes, today all my videos will be about learning and teaching compensation you. So lay down on mat, and today, yes, on your back, right. Right now we will do butterfly on the air, right? And 2 rounds, please. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and stay this position. Do wild position. Yes. So, and I will carefully press. Yes. One leg and the second. And so breathe in and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And press at the same time to the both knees. Also, if you middle, you can straighten your legs, right? If you beginner, you not straight your legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so if you like this position, you can stay in this position a lot of time, because this position very good and gives you a lot of benefits. So do this exercise and welcome to the next video.